10 ways to prevent diabetes that you might not know. Diabetes is a serious condition, but by following these 10 tips, you can reduce your risk and take important steps to living a healthier lifestyle. Remember, it's never too late to start making changes for the better. 1. Walk regularly. Regular walking can help to prevent type 2 diabetes. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, people who walk at least 20 minutes a day have a 31% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes than people who don't walk. Walking is a great exercise option if you have time available. You can also walk indoors on a treadmill or outdoors on pavement or a path. If you are able to walk, make sure to listen to your body. If you feel pain in your feet, knees, hips, or back, stop and take a break. Listen to your body and adjust your walking pace accordingly. If you can't walk due to health reasons, try biking or using an elliptical machine instead. 2. Start a diet. If you want to prevent diabetes, then you should start a diet. Diabetes is a disease that is caused by the body not being able to control the amount of sugar that it produces. A lot of people who have diabetes didn't know that they had it until they started having problems with their blood sugar levels. If you are at risk for diabetes, then you should definitely start a diet and see if you can lower your blood sugar levels. There are a lot of different diets out there, so it can be hard to find one that works for you. Try to find a diet that is low in sugar and high in fiber. You should also avoid unhealthy foods, such as processed foods, fatty foods, and sugary drinks. 3. Drink plenty of water. If you're like most people, you know that drinking water is important for keeping your body healthy. But did you know that drinking water can also help to prevent diabetes? A lack of water can lead to an increase in blood sugar levels and diabetes. Drinking plenty of water can help to keep your blood sugar levels in check and can also help to prevent diabetes from developing in the first place. Drinking plenty of water will help you stay healthy and prevent diabetes from developing in the first place. Don't wait to start drinking more water. Start today. 4. Monitor your blood sugar. Diabetes mellitus is a condition in which your blood sugar, glucose, levels are too high. If not managed properly, diabetes can lead to serious health problems, including heart disease, stroke, and blindness. There are several ways you can monitor your blood sugar levels to prevent diabetes. You can check your blood sugar every morning before you eat or at any time during the day if you notice a change. You can also measure your blood sugar levels using a glucose meter. If you have diabetes, it is important to keep track of all of your medical appointments and treatments. Early detection and treatment of diabetes is the key to the successful management of the condition. 5. Don't drink alcohol every day. One of the major causes of diabetes is drinking alcohol. You might not be aware of this, but even small amounts of alcohol can lead to diabetes. Drinking alcohol on a regular basis can damage your pancreas and signal muscles in your liver to produce more insulin. This can increase your risk of developing diabetes by up to 80%. Although you might not realize it, a lot of your food choices also play a role in your risk of developing diabetes. For example, eating high-calorie foods and eating too much sugar are two other major causes of diabetes. 6. Maintain a healthy weight. There are many ways to prevent diabetes that you might not know, including maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity is a major risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes, and obese people are also more likely to develop other chronic diseases, such as heart disease and stroke. It is important to maintain a healthy weight if you want to reduce your risk of developing diabetes. Try to avoid being overweight or obese, and make sure to eat a balanced diet that includes foods from all the major food groups. If you are already diagnosed with diabetes, make sure to follow the guidelines for managing your condition. This includes reducing your sugar intake, getting regular exercise, and managing your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. By following these simple guidelines, you can help to prevent diabetes from getting worse and reduce your risk of developing other serious health conditions. 7. Be active and move around more often. Too much sedentary time can lead to diabetes. To prevent it, try to be more active and move around more often. A lot of people think that diabetes only occurs in overweight people or people who don't exercise. But diabetes can happen to anyone, regardless of their weight or physical activity levels. The best way to prevent diabetes is to be more active and move around more often. Try to get at least 150 minutes of exercise a week or 30 minutes of exercise at least 5 days a week. This will help you to control your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health and well-being. 8. Reduce risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Diabetes is a disease that your doctor can diagnose with a simple blood test. Diabetes is a problem with the way our bodies use glucose or sugar. This can happen because of how we eat, our genes, or our environment. Type 2 diabetes is a condition that is caused by the body's inability to control blood sugar levels. The most common risk factors for developing diabetes are obesity, genetics, and age. There are. Some of the most important preventatives include eating a healthy diet, being physically active, and avoiding tobacco use. If you are at risk for type 2 diabetes, make sure to talk to your doctor about your options for prevention. They can help you identify the risks that you face and provide you with the tools needed to improve your health.